going to do something else. We're going to swim in a place called the Gelderse Meren. We're driving there right now and I hope you enjoy. So we have arrived at the Gelderse Meren and this is the view. There's almost no one. That's because it's not very good weather and people don't seem to like bad weather, but it's warm enough. So let's make use of the almost empty beach. Beautiful over here as well. See at the side of the beach there are all little like bird footsteps. I don't know if you can see them. They're like under the water, so somehow they stayed here, but the ones on the beach itself you don't. So I find it pretty particular. Funny because the clouds are getting pretty dark and we have swum for quite a while and well, it was very nice. So we're going back to the car now. I see you there. So we're back and it's the next day and before I will end this video I have a few announcements to make. We'll be going on a vacation for 3 weeks. So I'm planning to have a scheduled video in about the middle of our vacation. And I will be trying to give regular updates on our adventures on Instagram. So if you want to see that, follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description below. So I hope you liked this little video. And I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye!